Welcome to Plugtv Live, a documentary-based lifestyle TV channel visualizing the depth of fashion, food, and entertainment events in Nigeria.
I am celebrating my Valentine with my loved ones, of course.
I'll spend it at home or at the street, helping the little ones.
As I dare swear, I never know where I'm going to spend my Valentine with though. I never get bobo. I swear, I define bobo. Okay. As you don't talk families, maybe I go think I'll consider but it go fun, it go day fun if I fit spend out with bobo.
I'll do my time with my mama. Phone care for me. That's all, man.
For now, I have nobody. For now,
I like to, sit down with someone and just that special someone, So hopefully I find someone before then.
No boyfriend, no special person. My sisters, like my family.
Valentine is just for those people who are in love to celebrate themselves, I guess.
Myself and my family and people that love me.
Well, I don't know yet. I don't know how I'm going to celebrate it yet, but I know I'm going to celebrate it now.
Valentine has always been a day for lovers now. I've never had a lover before in my life. In fact, 2 days of Valentine, I used to fight with my girlfriend. Then after, we will now settle back. That's it, yeah.
You know that they say a lot of things about Valentine, how it celebrates the guy Valentine and how it's a Romeo-Juliet thing and so many things really, but I think it's just a day to show love. I don't think there should just be a day to show love actually. I think you should show love every day, you know what I'm saying? So that's it.
February itself is a month of love. So actually we can spend the month, we can spend our Valentine going to the street, helping people, seeing little ones, helping them out. It's necessary. It's not all about taking boyfriend and girlfriend going out. No, the little ones on the street, they need help. We should just do that. I think me, like now, I'll be spending my Valentine at home and also at the street, helping people with the little one I have.
Exactly. Valentine, your lover, together, jolly, I show love around to people that even though you don't get bobo, you don't get, at least just show love. That's what I understand by Valentine.
Concerning Valentine, I don't get people I want to spend Valentine with you. But you already know, as a baby, if you're free, you could actually come around, you understand?
What I understand about Valentine, first of all, I would say I haven't done a Valentine in a long time because I've been single for long and I'm searching, yeah. But I think it's a time to share, it's a time to show love, not to just loved ones, to strangers, everyone, try to touch a soul, you get? So that's what I feel Valentine is all about. Not just loved ones, anyone. You can show love to anybody. That's Valentine for me, not where you take only, yes, that one counts, like you taking your girlfriend to a venue to have some good time with her, yes, but I think Valentine is more of reaching out to those you don't know. That's Valentine for me, showing love to those you don't know. Thank you.
Valentine is a lover's day now, but should I say fortunately or unfortunately for me, I don't have a girlfriend, so I'm just going to take Mary J out, if you know what Mary J means though. So that's it, that's it.
Valentine should be a period where you celebrate your loved ones. It should not only be where some boyfriend or some girlfriend celebrates each other. Valentine should be where you celebrate your loved ones, people who love you truly. You exchange gifts to them, you give them what you wish from your heart. That is my own understanding for Valentine.
It's a season of love, just a means of expressing love, sharing gifts, season of whatever.
Valentine meaning normal Nigerian, English or understanding is Lovers' Day, whereby someone can show his, beloved one love in one way or the other.
I just know that Valentine is a day to spread love, not necessarily to your lover. It could be to your neighbor, it could be to that child that has been crying and begging you for 200 naira. It could be the most random person you don't know. It doesn't have to be all about having sex and going out there to go and do one thing or the other. Help somebody, help a beggar out there today. Change your life. Let somebody smile.
Welcome to Plugtv Live, a documentary-based lifestyle TV channel visualizing the depth of fashion, food, and entertainment events in Nigeria.